Irá então acontecer neste jogo entre o Al Nassr e o Al
titular e portanto agora é um dos maiores motivos para a sua chegada ao campeonato.
Estaram esta competição. E agora, de Wesley, o menino que ainda me recordo dele.
Normal que Jorge Jesus repita quase o mesmo 11, com a exceção, claro está aí.
O Ronaldo tinha marcado o único gol para o Al Nassr e aqui está.
A única questão que levanto, falaste nos nomes de
Eduardo Mandi, e o árbitro a apitar, vai pertence ao Al de Jeddah. Aí está Jorge Jesus. E já agora dizer-lhe, daqui a pouco vamos poder. É o homem que ocupa a lateral direita da equipa do Al de Jeddah. E aí está ele, Mandi. Acaba por ser tocado o capitão do Al de Jeddah. Tentativa de chegada de Kingsley Coman. Encosta ali no guarda-redes da formação do Al de Jeddah. E este acaba por ficar caído. Partida interrompida nestes primeiros 5 minutos, ainda com 0-0. E com o jogo interrompido, eu há pouco falava de
4, 5 clubes que investem muito.
O Al de Jeddah tentar fugir, depois a ser travado em falta, como vemos. Não há Buchal a fazer a falta sobre o jogador. O árbitro diz que não há falta. Atenção a João Félix, vai para a área, perigoso. Vai picar, defenda! Mandi! Félix ali a criar problemas à defesa do Al Ahly.
Sim, e lá está.
Com Galeno.
Exato.
Protestos agora dos jogadores do Al Ahly de Jeddah. Do Al Nassr ali a beijar o símbolo de para marcar o Al Ahly de Jeddah. O remate! Falhou Tony! Também apareceu Marrez.
Sim.
Grande oportunidade para a equipa do Al Ahly de Jeddah.
Parece-me que havia fora de jogo, viu?
Atenção à equipa do Al Nassr. Agora é o Al Nassr que pode marcar o remate. A bola sai a gaguejar junto ao poste esquerdo. A beleza de Mandi. Que chance! Kingsley Coman.
Que grande oportunidade para o Al Nassr. Uma grande resposta à oportunidade de Tony, e aqui sem fora de jogo.
Brozovic, bola lançada. Atenção, Félix
para Coman.
Este é Marrez. Regressa Kingsley Coman, pode tirar de longe, remate! E a bola a ser ao lado, mesmo assim é um desvio, pontapé de canto para o Al Nassr.
Muito bem o Al Nassr. Está em cima do seu...
Toca a sair, bem levantado, era para Cristiano Ronaldo! Bicicleta ali, Ronaldo a tirar, a bola a ser à figura de Mandi.
Mas o frisson cá no estádio, sempre que Cristiano toca na bola, é inacreditável. Isto dá confiança não só ao próprio Cristiano, mas a toda a
Real Madrid. Um dos golos mais bonitos da carreira.
O Al Nassr sai da primeira fase de pressão, depois consegue criar.
Bola tirada, cruzamento largo, cabeceamento de cima.
Seja muita.
To Ronaldo, Brozovic. It's still with IMYITOZO. They're going to claim a handball there against Madrashi. They've got a penalty.
Looked like a penalty. We're sat high up here looking down from a long distance away. The Al Ahly bench below us, they're all surrounding the fourth official. There's a real melee going on.
When the decision was made for the penalty kick being taken. He's done this so in the stands all around him. Cristiano Ronaldo. It's Ronaldo against Mendy. A century of goals in the yellow of Al Nassr. What a time, what a place to do it. And what a roar inside the arena. As he and his teammates search for Saudi silverware, the first domestic silverware during his time with the club. It is number 7 who gives them the lead against Al Ahly. His 100th goal. Al Ahly trailing by 1-0 here, late in the first half. And still, here's a chance, 1-1, Ivan Toney. Flag goes up on the far side straight away. And Al Nassr's players are unhappy because they felt that their man, João Felix, was fouled near the angle of the penalty area before.
The automated offside has been excellent.
Yeah.
Generally gives us quick result.
So it's not going to be a goal. And done rather well. Into Kessie! Super finish! Beautifully crafted goal! What a week for the Ivorian! Frank Kessie, 2 goals in the semi-final and an equaliser on the stroke of half-time. Beautifully placed.
And no surprises that it's come from this left-hand side as well. And Galeno was involved initially in the build-up. He does that so well, Frank Kessie. He joins in the attack. He's given licence, he's given freedom when his team's in possession. That's how he got his 2 goals in midweek, and he's adding.
It was basically the last kick of the first half as the rain starts to fall on Hong Kong Stadium. All to play for in the Saudi Super Cup final. The crowd got what they wanted to see earlier in the half with... it's Al Nassr who will get us... And if we're level after... into that near post area. Ronaldo beautifully taken as he goes for goal. Brings the save from Mendy. It's Wesley. And it should be cleared. Nothing they're not used to, of course. Good play from Galeno. Half an hour. He's such a key player within it. Win against Manchester City as well. To Al-Khaibari. Beautiful feet. Brilliant play from João Felix. Al Bouchal's face almost kept that attacking passage of play moving. Back up from Ivan Toney. Ball played in. Here's a chance off the post. Al-Brikan couldn't finish it off. What a lucky let-off for Al Nassr, who tried to turn the tables and take it. Terrific strike though, wasn't it?
He's in great goal-scoring form. He's a player to watch this season. Keeps himself fit. He's looked fit in this pre-season, I say. He's looked fit, he's looked strong. He's got a great engine. And he'll be a huge asset to Al Ahly this season. He's certainly a player to watch for me in the new season ahead.
Stem the flow of the blood, and with blood on the shirt, he'll need a new...
And Stefano Pioli, obviously relieved of his duties. He's now managing Fiorentina domestic silverware in the last couple of seasons. I just think it's a really good...
Clear from Al-Ghanam. Al-Brikan and Ivan Madrashi wins the ball. Angelo's preparing to come on for Al Nassr. Here's Brozovic. Here's a chance and a goal. Marcelo Brozovic. An unexpected goal-scoring opportunity grabbed by the Croatian. And suddenly Al Nassr a minute away from early season glory.
It's a wonderful finish. Al Ahly, they don't clear the lines. It's Frank Kessie who gets caught.
Much room for manoeuvre. Iban. The delivery needs to be a good one. Bento hasn't got it. It's in for the equaliser. Roger Ibanez there from close range. And we are all square once more. Equalising late in the first half. Al Ahly do exactly the same late in the second. (2-2) in the Super Cup. That's spun nicely. Is there more late drama to come, or will we go? And it comes off the boot of Brozovic. Well won by Ibanez. Simakan goes down. Ibanez tells him what he thinks of it. But Angelo bursting forward once more.
Research, that man's already had a penalty. He scored it in the game.
And he scored from the spot. Though, as the AFC Champions League winners, at final. Usual outcome, Ivan Toney scores. He does not miss from 12 yards. Right here. Quite a moment. drills it home for 1-1. 2 out of 2 on the night for him. It's 1-1 in the shootout.
Shows his quality, his versatility.
Kessie scores. Lovely, cool, nonchalant finish. Chance. No chance for Bento. The 5 have found the back of the net so far. Make that. And Albrecht. This to level it up. And it's saved by Mendy. It's the first penalty missed. And it's the 8th one taken. 4-3. Al Ahly ready to try and pounce on it. Galeno goes for glory and seals the deal. Al Ahly, for the second time in their history, win the Saudi Super Cup. It took penalties to get it done, but they won't be worried about that now. They have won in the most dramatic fashion, and they have won with 5 brilliant penalties. And yet again, Cristiano Ronaldo and Al Nassr are denied right at the last with silverware on the line. His search for domestic Saudi